Hello everyone, this is Steven the Fan Man here once again. Good evening everybody. It is April the 28th and what you see here, this is the Westinghouse electric motor, 2-speed motor going to my Wizard box fan, the one that I'm restoring for the lady named Christina that we purchased the fan from in Missouri. The fan has been cleaned, serviced, and the motor housing has been very well cleaned. It was very well dirty. Even the washers and the nuts and the shims have been cleaned down. I'll show you the shaft here. I took an SOS pad and I cleaned and I scrubbed and polished that down very well. And it should run a lot smoother now. And I will go ahead and I will put the motor back together. Slide, very carefully slide 3 power wires through the hole here. We will take shrink tubing. We will go up there. Alright. Put that down very gently. Get it over there. Okay. Now, drop it in there very carefully. Line up the holes properly to where the screws can go in. Okay. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to apply some oil to the bottom of the shaft for better coast down time. Okay. Now I'm going to very carefully insert the shaft here. Try and get this done right. Okay. Get that hole. Get that shim lined up properly there. I don't want to wreck that. Now, come on. Oh, okay. Now. Alright. Okay. The shaft has properly and very carefully been inserted back into the oil bushing. That's a good close down time, fair enough. Okay. What we are going to do now is I'm going to apply some oil. Oh, damn it, are you kidding me? To the bushing here. Not too much. Okay. Alright. Oil up. The shaft here real good. This should help it. The shaft go down evenly. Okay. Okay. I'm just trying very hard not to wreck it. That sleeve bearing. It's very important. Oh, okay. Now, to line it back up to the way that we had it before, very carefully. These 2 pointed holes there, that helps to measure up where the casing goes. Okay. Okay. Hopefully that did more good than harm. Hopefully it didn't. Son of a bitch. Pardon the language, people.